Hi guys, it's Brownie from Manhattan, New York. So I'm coming to you guys with a mini haul. So I have this Aldo purse from Aldo, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks on the inside. This is how it looks on the inside. It has a pocket in it. It has a strap if you want to make it into a crossbody, and it has, this is how it looks. Then I have some food. This is $60. Then I have some cake, marble cake from Capri's Bakery. Then I have some clothes. I have two pair of jeans. The first one looks like this on the pocket. It looks like this. This is how they look. And this is also petite, and the brand is Lee. And then I bought another pair of jeans, and this is how it looks on the pocket. And the brand is Style & Co. So I think it's from NYC and Company. The brand is Style & Co. and it's curvy bootleg. And that's it for my mini haul. Bella's saying hi, guys. She's over there. Thumbs up this video. Like, subscribe to my channel. Me and my life. Be blessed. I'll do the same. Again, this is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Mwah.